Hello. Imagine that you received a very complex Excel sheet from your users and they asked you to debug something in that Excel sheet, right? So, though this Excel sheet looks quite simple, but this is just to explain you, how we can help or how Excel can help you to figure out various dependencies in this Excel sheet. You want to debug it, but then you have no idea like how and where these particular cells are, for example, used. What is the use of these particular cells? So how do you find out? So Excel provides you a very good and powerful thing to figure that out. So what you need to do is that after opening the Excel sheet, click on formulas, and then you'll see here trace dependents, right? So let's say I want to find out where this particular cell is used, B1 right now. Yeah, I'll click on this cell, and then after that I'll click on trace dependence. So see, beautifully it tells you that this particular cell is being used here. So if I click here, I'll immediately find out that B1 into 100. So okay, don't look into this formula. This is just created randomly to show you something in a simple way. Similarly for C1, trace dependence, and it shows here. Then I click here, it shows C1 plus 3. Now there is a little bit even more complicated case. So if I click on A1 and then click on trace dependence, then this arrow doesn't seem to be like going anywhere, right? But it does. If you click on this arrow, right, it's a bit tricky. Double click on this arrow, then it shows you something here. Click here and then click on OK, and you will notice that this formula this time is hidden in another tab in the same Excel file, right? So I really hope this helps. Thank you.